On the lookout for a steady stream of retirement income? Well, let's zoom into two TSX listed stocks that could make this a reality. Hey, and thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for Kalkine Media. The first dividend stock to keep your eye on is Enbridge Inc. The energy infrastructure company pays a quarterly dividend of 0.835 cents per share, as against that of 0.81 cents in November of 2020. Enbridge's dividend grew by roughly 7% in the last 3 years, as they posted GAAP earnings of 682 million Canadian dollars in the third quarter of fiscal 21. The company's adjusted earnings were at 1.2 billion in the latest quarter, and they've recorded distributable cash flow of 2.3 billion compared to 2.1 in the same quarter a year ago. The next dividend stock to eye for retirement funds is Capital Power Corp, the power producer, which is scheduled to pay a quarterly dividend of 0.547 apiece on January 31 next year, against an ex-dividend date of December 30. On the 2nd of the same month, the enterprise announced that it's set to acquire a renewable energy portfolio, including developmental and construction sites, in light of its decarbonization strategies. Capital Power is also evaluating carbon capture and storage solutions, along with its Genesis 1 and 2 repowering projects. They reported $206 million as adjusted funds flow from operations in the third quarter of fiscal 21, and net cash flow from operating activities amounting to $347 million in the latest quarter. Plus, Capital Power net income was at $38 million and adjusted EBITDA at $286 million in the same quarter. Now here's the key part. On November 29, both companies, Enbridge and Capital Power Corp, inked a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, to work together on carbon capture and storage solutions to minimize carbon emissions in Alberta, which is good news for investors looking for passive retirement income, as the development of low-carbon or carbon-neutral energy solutions could be crucial in the fight against growing climate change concerns. Now that you're up to speed, check out some of our other videos to boost your financial IQ and stay up to date. This has been Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.